Yes, student, today I am going to show you how to define a web service method that returns the content of database in a JSON string, and finally how the content should be displayed in a tabular format. So let's start. First, click on Services tab, then JavaDB. Right click on your JavaDB and click on Start Server. Now next is expand the JavaDB and you have to connect the sample database. So just connecting the sample database. So you will get some string. So this is your sample string. Now just expand the sample string, expand app, and you have to create one table. So I'm just creating one table by clicking on create a table, and here just specify your table name. So I'm just specifying table name as a friends to it. Friends to it is my table name. Now just click on add column. My first field name is ID. Select the type. So ID type is integer, so I'm selecting the integer. Now next one is just assign this as a primary key. So just click on OK. Now add one more column here, first name. So I'm writing here first name and select type as a varchar. So just click on varchar. Then specify the size. So I am specifying 20, and there is no need to apply a primary key and unique. So just click on OK. Again click on OK. So just expand this table, and my table name is here friends 28. Now I want to insert some record. So I am just inserting some record by right clicking on this, then select view data, and then here again right click on this and insert record. So I'm just inserting here one, and here name, suppose I'm just writing name. Now add second row, again insert 2, again insert suppose here I'm inserting the second value, again insert at least 2 or 3 record. So I'm inserting here 3 records, then click on OK. So here I am inserting the 3 records. Now next one is you have to create one application. So I'm just clicking on file, new project, then selecting Java web application, click on next, and I'm just writing suppose name of this project is suppose server 28. I'm just writing server 28. Again click on next, and finish. Now my project name is server 28. Now right click on your project, select new, and you have to choose RESTful web services from database. So just click on this, and here just select sample database, and from that sample database you have to choose this friend 28. So I'm just selecting this friend 28 and just click on add it and then click on next. Now here you have to define the package name. Suppose I am writing here com.kk. So com.kk is my package name, com.kk. Then again click on next, then click on finish. Click on finished. Now here you will get the one folder com.kk.service. Just expand it, and here you will get the 3 files. So just click on this last one file, and here you have to remove this part application from each and every methods. You have to remove this XML part because I want to show the JSON data na, so I have to remove this XML part. So be careful. Just removing again this one. Again I'm removing this application XML. From each and every method you have to delete this XML parts, because I want to show your data or my data in a JSON format. So there is no need to write the XML. Now just save your file. Now after making the changes, you have to right click on your project and just deploy it. So just my project name is server 28. So first one is clean and build. After clean and build, you have to deploy this project. For deploying it takes some time. Now next one is you have to create one more web application, and the name of that web application is client. So after deploying, I want to create one more application, that is a client. For deploying it takes some time. Okay, now create one more project, new project, Java web application, click on next, and here I'm writing the project name as a client 28. Now click on next and finish. Now just search your project. My project name is client 28, so I want to search this project client 28. Okay, now here just open your index.html file. Now I have the code of this file, and just paste this code between your head tag. So I want to paste it into the head tag. So already I have this code, so I'm just opening this file, and yes, I have this code, so I'm just copying this code style. Okay, and then select this code, just copy it and just paste it in this head tag. Now control V. Okay, now next one is again we have the next code, uh, body code. So again I want to remove this line and just replace this code with this code. So I'm just selecting this code. You can get this file in my description box. So I'm just replacing this code. Now next one is, now listen one more thing. You have to make the changes in this URL. Here my project, my database name, sorry, table name is 28, and here my project name is server 28. Okay, localhost 8080 server 28 com.kk is my package name, and friends 28 is my table name. So I want to remove this one. Var, just save this program. Now here again run your client program. So just right click on this. You have to build this project, clean and build this project, then deploy it. Now run your project. So maybe there is some problem, it's not accessing the client dot trail. So we'll make some changes here. I want to save this table and just check it what is here exactly the table name and this thing. So I want to check it. It is friends FRIRNDS. So yes, there is a mistake of here. So I'm just copying this. Yes, FRIRNDS. FRIRNDS. RNDS. Yes, this is my spelling mistake. So just I want to check it. Now just again run this program. Yes, now here I'm getting the output. I'm getting this free field. So this is about this practical.